Vlog 1, we're going woods riding today. I still have to go pick my bike up. I have a KTM 150 XS. Right now, we just got my dad's bike, a CRF 250R, and my brother's bike, his RMZ 250. We have to go back to my house and get my KTM 150. Two-stroke, obviously. You probably already knew that, but we're gonna go out there, gonna go do some woods riding for the day. A little bit of fun on this nice Sunday. It's supposed to be pretty, it's not supposed to be too hot. It's supposed to be like in the 70s, so that's actually kind of nice. But it did rain last night, so granted, we're going an hour and like 15 minutes away, so the weather might have been a little different, but I'm not 100% sure, so it'll probably be pretty wet out there. So yeah, see you when we get down there to go ride. Almost forgot the stand. That would have been shit. All right, we're all loaded up. Got the KTM loaded. We're gonna go ride. All right, so we made it. We're gonna unload the bikes, go gear up, and get ready to ride. It's a little rainy out today, though. It's real swampy. We're here. We're gonna go riff in the woods, man. You excited? It's gonna be wet today. I'm surprised Uncle Mike's not here yet.
Yeah, I think they're gonna back out, dude. I think they see the weather. Crying blue.
Yeah, whatever. It's drizzling right now, actually, a little bit, but I'm still riding in it. Yeah, that's what I thought, too. So I just want to do a quick shout out to our sponsor here for the YouTube and stuff like that and for our races. This is a clothing company called Kriegensieg. This is one of their shirts actually they gave me. It's super sick, dude. Like highest quality shirt that I have. Avenger, this one's pretty sick. I have another one with like a shark on it. It's pretty dope. Kriegensieg. I'm gonna have the link in the description. They also have jewelry like bracelets and necklaces and stuff like that. And they even have clothes for women too. So link will be in the description if you guys want to go check that out. They're actually also the hat that I have on. This hat is on their website. It's from them. Check it out. All right, so we're all geared up. Getting ready to go rip. The KTM actually, we're looking good. The chain's good, everything's good. Actually gotta take that out. Got the CRF 250 out. We're getting ready to go ride. Oh, I almost forgot about my shoes. I don't need them getting wet because it's raining on it. It's not like raining. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but it's like misty. It's not even rain, it's like mist kind of. So I think I'm gonna wear my hoodie or my windbreaker because of how chilly it's probably gonna be. What the hell was that? I have no idea what that was. Dude, this is not even worth riding. Holy shit. Nice that way for pops. Yo, it's way wetter than usual. Usually it's not in the water over there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're done the vlog. Vlog one's over. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was really wet out today. So yeah, my brother actually never showed up. He had a flat tire, so that sucks. But next week we'll get you guys with a better vlog. I'm pretty sure everybody's coming down next week. Well, actually no, I have a race next weekend, but we'll be vlogging that, so it'll be pretty cool. I think my brother's coming, a couple people coming. So yeah, racing the KTM in Sugarloaf, PA. See you guys in the next one.